Hello, friends. Welcome to Akulmach Live. I'm your host, CK, and today we will talk about the policies. As you know, that on our channel we'll discuss about business and opportunities, and also sometimes policies. We know that the India is transforming quite rapidly. A lot of new changes are being brought by the government, and there are a lot of reforms being performed. And many times, because of the lot of verbiage which is used in these reforms and new laws and regulations, sometimes we basically miss out the finer prints. And that is why I want to talk about the finer prints and basically understanding these laws and some latest changes which are happening and how those can be leveraged for the business. Even if you are a startup or you are established business a powerhouse, all of these regulations which are new in nature, which has been just brought in uh, into the landscape, it will be very interesting for you to watch out, and probably you can you know you can indulge in those new regulations. You want to have a comment, you can. And since I'm live, I can interact with you live. All right, so let's proceed further. There are five new things which are happening, which is going to take effect in 2025, and I want to talk about those five things today with you. All right, let's move forward. The first activity is talking about the performance linked incentives, which is going to basically increase the investment in Indian businesses. So I'm sure you know what is PLI, performance linked incentive. Well, this is a very great idea. It is not giving some sort of money to the business houses as a freebie, that, okay, you take this much investment from me, don't come back, or take this as a grant, don't come back, you don't need to return it to me. Instead, what they are saying is that if you make a commitment that you are going to make this kind of production, there is going to be an incentive for you. That means, for committing a higher target, and if you achieve that target, the government of India will actually give you more incentives. All right, now this has been going on very successfully, and because of the PLI, a lot of manufacturing units have come up in India in past couple of years. So most of the businesses who are using PLI, they know about that. But if you are a budding entrepreneur and you're just starting this year, maybe this is something that you should look at. And the PLI scheme is now being improved also, because previously it was mostly dedicated for the manufacturing. The idea was to increase the manufacturing in the country so that they can compete with India as a country can compete with other manufacturing hubs like China. However, now the latest one is that the PLI has been improved or enhanced. The scheme has been enhanced, and the services have been brought in into this into the fold of PLI. So it's not only manufacturing, it is also related to your services. The third thing that they have done, the government of India has done, is basically allow the foreign investment. So PLI will also be affected by if there is FDI happening in your company, especially in certain business segments like insurance and others. So, well, insurance is a pure services arena. There is no manufacturing, it's all pure services. So there are business segments like electronics, business segments like pharmaceuticals, and also automobile segment. All of those are now going to take benefit of the improved PLI scheme, which is being launched recently. So this is something very exciting, especially for those people who were thinking, okay, I'm being left out because I'm a services company. This PLI is only for manufacturing. No, from 2025, the PLI will also apply to services businesses as well. All right, let's move forward to about the other policy changes which are going to happen, and that is the production and export. There is going to be a lot of benefit given to production. So you see, the whole emphasis of doing more business is basically if you are able to service more clients, and if you are able to service more clients, that means you are able to make more products, or you are able to handle different projects. So if you have more projects, that means more cash flow, that means more business that you will do. So all of these things are going to be incentivized by the PLI scheme, and therefore the higher production, whether it is services or whether it is the production manufacturing, will be incentivized in terms of how much money you can uh, get back from the company, from Indian government. So since this is a fixed incentive, sometimes it could be 20%, sometimes it could be 25%, and so on. It is a fixed incentive for each different product category. There are different incentives that the government of India is giving you as an input. So what happens is that it works on a annual basis, where you actually give a commitment, and if you achieve those commitments, you will get the some sort of a refund back from the taxes and different things. So this is a fantastic opportunity for enhancing your production, increasing your business. So the scheme itself is going to allow that to happen. All right, let's move to the next point. Since there is going to be more production based focus more on production and increasing the business, it is obviously going to create new jobs. So your company will be able to hire more people, skilled labor sometimes, or sometimes if you're in service, again you would need very specific type of consultants who can actually provide those kind of services. So nutshell, if there are more businesses happening, it is going to impact the job creation for your company. That means more jobs are being created by your efforts, and therefore this is something which is going to be taking shape and major effect in 2025. So I think the 2024 is almost over. Next year is looking over the horizon. So if you are in business, I think you should start thinking about these policy changes which are being brought by the Indian government, and you can also start thinking, how do you basically start hiring people, the right skill sets that you need. So start thinking about what skill sets you need, how you're going to attract this various resources, how you're going to retain them, and where are you going to are you allow them to work from home or bring them to your premise. So whatever the combination may be, the whole point is that the new PLI scheme is going to help you grow your business, and therefore offer you you can offer more jobs to the to other employees, and therefore your fame, your company will grow in stature, etc. So job creation is the third impact the new policy will bring. What is the fourth one? There is going to be a technology based initiative where you will be promoted for using sort of automation and AI solutions, where the automation and AI is going to improve your production, better quality, and timely deliveries, making sure that you suppose you actually get an order, you actually fulfill proper tracking of your warehouses, proper tracking end to end for deliveries. All of these will require a lot of technology, new implementation of technology. So the innovation which the PLI scheme will foster is going to improve the overall benefit to your company, and in turn it will actually benefit improving the innovation across Indian businesses. So this is going to inculcate the extra features of adaptation of technology, adapting a lot of AI bots, so that you can be more efficient, your business can run more efficiently and a cost effective manner, therefore increasing your business, increasing your revenue, increasing your profitability. So this is the side effect of the new PLI scheme. Let's look at the last one. The emphasis is going to be on the self-reliance, and obviously we compete with each other. India is a very competitive marketplace, but then we also have to compete globally. We need to compete with lot of similar companies, just like Indian companies, with other countries. So the real competition is out there. The real competition is with China, with Brazil, with Eastern Bloc. And therefore, if you are able to improve efficiencies, if you are able to improve revenue, and also make sure that we are able to satisfy the client in terms of price and performance, then obviously our global stature as a country, as a group of business people, will improve, and that will bring a lot of respect to us. So the new PLI scheme is designed uh, for providing incentives back to you if you are able to fulfill this journey collectively. I mean, we know that as a business we need to survive in the very competitive landscape, but then we also need to be thinking about the nation. And the PLI scheme is designed to give you that kind of feeling where you will be able to compete together with other businesses globally. And if there is no competition, there is no fun in business, right? So the PLI scheme is going to do that. And these are certain changes which are being brought about while implementing the new changes in the PLI scheme. Just in case, if you want to know more about how the PLI works, and if you're looking for some inputs, do not hesitate to circle back, send me your suggestions, any questions that you have, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. So friends, thanks for watching me live, and I will catch you again in the next one. Bye for now.